Module 1, Introduction to JavaScript and Basic Syntax. Welcome to Beidat IT Training. In the first two courses, you learned about HTML and CSS. In this course and in Module 1, we'll dive into the basics of JavaScript, the language that brings interactivity to your web pages. You'll start by setting up an online IDE like JSFiddle, CodePen, or Replit to test your JavaScript code in real time. We'll cover JavaScript syntax and statements. For example, you can display an alert message with HTML script alert, hello, world /script. You can also log messages to the console. HTML script console.log, hello, console /script. Exercises will help you practice these skills, and a lab project will guide you in creating a simple web page that uses JavaScript to display messages. An interactive quiz will reinforce your learning. By the end of this module, you'll have a solid understanding of basic JavaScript syntax and be ready to move on to more advanced topics. Let's get started with JavaScript.